Jum Jum Kids.
Cuties, today we are going to see wild animals. Wild animals are not domesticated. They live with the nature. There are two types of wild animals, invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates are those without spinal cord. Vertebrates are those with spinal cord. Lion, tiger, bear, elephant, camel, wolf, fox, hippopotamus, rhinoceros, gorilla, deer, kangaroo, leopard, bison, monkey, woodpecker, panda, crocodile, hedgehog, red panda, mole, polar bear, porcupine, otter, yak, reindeer, hare, wombat, zebra. Bye kids, next video la meet பண்ணலாம்.
Jum Jum Kids.